Everybody, this is Pink Frock Yellow Boots from Behavior, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. When it comes to family, the one thing that is given is that we don't get to choose them. The people we have in our family are always going to be those people. There is no change, even if we say that we don't belong or even if we are disowned, there still are going to be family. When it comes to family, here all that I'm going to say today is going to pertain to a common family, not a dysfunctional family, not a family that is not good for your mental health, which causes you trauma. In general, this is about a common, normal family. The basic thing that comes up a lot and seems to be the root cause of a lot of differences and feelings that don't feel healthy is the feeling of being taken for granted. In family, there is nobody who feels like they are not being taken for granted. As I mentioned earlier, this is about a common general family and it pertains to relatable and not exceptional cases. So, the feeling of being taken for granted, be it the mother, the wife, the husband, father, children, whoever. If at all it is a joint family, then uncles, aunts, grandparents. Now, being taken for granted has two aspects. The first being you doing things or you being expected to do things that you want to or don't want to do. And the second part is that people don't take care of you. The feeling of being taken for granted is a feeling which tells you that you desired something that did not happen, but something that you had to do wasn't an exception for you. Such a feelings arise because when it comes to family, we all somewhere subconsciously know these people are going nowhere. Also, we have this set rules or the set things that people do. Like mamas cook usually, fathers go out and earn money, mama do the cleaning, the children go and get vegetables or something like that when they need be posting a letter or whatever. There are set things that you do in your house that aids the smooth working of the household. Thus, we take it that these are things that these people have to do. You have to do. There is no out of it. When this happens, be it with you or be it with the other person in your family, what happens is we forget that they are doing it for us and we are doing it for them. When this equilibrium is disturbed, the feeling of doing it for each other, that it's a distribution of household chores so that nobody is burdened too much. When that equilibrium is disturbed, the feeling of being taken for granted creeps in. Gradually, this feeling creates a lot of other emotions. Not wanting to be with family, not being understood, not being taken care of, feeling like you don't matter, your self-image suffers, your relationship suffers. But the core is that communicating your need and communicating gratitude are both equally important to counter this feeling. Your mother cooks on a daily basis. The most thing that happens is हाँ मम्मा कुक करती ही है ना, मम्मा नहीं करेगी तो कौन करेगा, या बहन कुक करती है, वाइफ कुक करती है. इवन द हाउस होल्ड जहाँ पे मेल्स कुक करते हैं तो हाँ फादर ऑलरेडी कुक्स, आई डोंट कुक. Happens like that. but they are doing it for you. After the age where you can take your own decisions and you are capable of taking care of yourself, you need to learn the skills that are necessary for your survivals. When that happens, you learn the skills, but you can also take off the burden of somebody who is doing it on a regular basis. Thus, when we do things for each other in the house, we are doing it for the family, for our own people, and they are doing it for us. It is important to convey that you are grateful, you are thankful that they do it for you, even though you are capable of doing it and you have the capacity to do it. When that gratitude seeps in, when that communication of your needs, of being pampered, or seeking a thank you, whatever it is, when they are conveyed, it helps you to form a better connection with your members. When that happens, it brings a new life in the family, a new life of happiness, of peace, of being valued, and that gradually makes you want to continue the tasks that are given to you. Thanking your father or the person who is earning for bringing in the finance, thanking the person who is taking care of the cleaning, thanking the person who takes care of getting things from the market, and also telling them that this is what you would need. Because when it comes to the household chores, everybody's desires and needs need to be met to a certain extent, based on what the family situation is, the dynamics is. Next time, when you see your family members doing things for you, greet them with gratitude. When you feel that you are being taken for granted, sit with them and discuss with them. Let them know. We all come from families, and our parents or our children will be having their own individual experiences, identity, and personality. Things don't always work out, but giving it a try, trying to make a difference, is something that starts when you take that opportunity to change. Wishing everybody a happy family life. Take care.